much better. Yeah, I will put the button.
Don't worry about all this. And we can do the slam and everything. But the extra details, we don't have time for that.
Well, you know, it's still
Is it? Yeah, it's just because of the shit.
so we just put in there and we use it.
This is our project. It's a rehabilitation glove for stroke patients. So it helps them exercise and it has heart rate and GSR sensors along with flex sensors for monitoring. And this is how the wires look inside. That's all.
So this is the GDP mobile application, as you can see. So here is the continue as guest for the mobile application for our part. So I'm just going to make a quick review for this part of the application, and now I'll try to log in using create an account. So basically I will create right now the account, the test account for the application. As I'm creating the account will be having the MFA secret key, and this MFA secret key will be saved in the database. So now I'm creating the password. The password should be will have like special characters and an uppercase letter, etc. And if anything fails like that, an invalid output will be shown in the mobile application. So now I'm putting like the normal things like weight and height, and this is the QR code for the MFA, which I'm using the Google Authenticator application to generate the 6-digit code so that I can use it when I'm logging into the account. So now, as you can see here, the PulseSense application, I'm logging into my account that I've just created, and as I'm logging in, I'll be having this MFA secret key screen so that I can use the 6-digit code using my application, the Google Authenticator application. So here is the main page for the application, and this is the schedule page. So for the schedule page, we can add a reminder or anything so that whenever like we are doing a session or something and we need another session with a therapist or like a doctor or to arrange something, we can use this to like get a reminder or something. And generally it will be showing the notification as a reminder in both the homepage and in the schedule screen. So now is the search page, and it can take you in whatever screen you're seeing, and those are the menu settings. And also here's the user profile settings. As you can see, for the menu settings, we have the notifications, we have the help, in which like you can see what kind of questions FAQ that are there in the application. And here's the AI PulseSense chatbot that we have made, and this is the health screen chat, the health screen, in which like you can see here's a face, the start session button, etc. So now we will try to log out and to log into another used account in which we have already collected sessions. So now I'm logging into that account. So as you can see, here is the invalid output. Okay, now I'm just using the 6 digits. Okay, so here is the mini screen, and here is the health page, and as you can see, here's the flex sensor generator, and those are the feedbacks in which that are generated whenever you start and end the session. So let's say we are starting the session right now. You can see the data between the start and end session is collected, so that the feedback report will be generated for the session, and that's the feedback report, as you can see, which is saved as session 32. Yeah, obviously the the gloves we aren't using it right now, so that you can see there is no the flex sensor output for that feedback. Now I'm running the Olama serve so that I can use the AI chatbot. Without it, I can't use the AI chatbot. Okay, so now I'll be just writing like hi, what are the recommendations and what are the progress, like something like that. Okay, so now we're gonna wait some time because it is just running the Olama. It is just running, but like after a couple of time, it will be like generating immediately because we just ran it right now. So as you can see here is its feedback and its response on my question, and you can ask it any question related to the neural rehabilitation and related to your account, in which it can read whatever is generated from your account. Okay, that's for this part. And as you can see here, like the schedule, it's generally you can delete it as well. Okay, so that's one thing. So moving to the other thing, we're gonna just check here the response, other response from the AI. Okay, and that was another response from the AI to ensure that it is working. Okay, so that's one thing. What else? Now we are logging out just to check that every button is working, and now going back to the database because we need to check if every of the details, like the passwords, MFA secret keys, those kind of things are encrypted or not. So let's open the database. Let's open database. Okay, and now let's browse it here. Okay, so here are the log activities, and it can show like the login, the registration, the logout, and when was the time for that. Okay, and those are the rehabilitation sessions that were generated, and as you can see here, like there are columns for each section, the heart rate, the feedback, etc. And those are the schedule things, and those are the accounts. And you can see here the password, the blood type, etc. are encrypted using the Fernet encryption and AES 128 encryption as well. So yeah, moving to that part, we are doing the dark theme as well. So for the dark theme, we are just from the settings itself of the mobile application, we need to enable the dark theme option. Whenever we enable it, now we can see the health screen, and we can see the dark theme for the mobile application, the WellSense mobile application. So that's our design for that. And now to ensure that it is as well working, we are going to log into one of the accounts, the used accounts we have made. Okay, as you can see here is another invalid option. Okay, and now we are using Google Authenticator to generate the TOTP. And as you can see here, the reminder, and it is as well shown in the home screen. Yeah, and this is the chatbot, and we can ensure that it is working from writing just a quick question. So actually the latency depends on the laptop's features, like let's say the CPU, the RAMs, etc. And this is the health screen GUI for the dark theme option. It is the same, but just the different design.